Hello students, I am Professor Shubham Dorkeshjituri from YCIS Institute Science Satara. Today I am going to teach you curvilinear coordinate system. Okay, if you follow our BSc syllabus, BSc 3 syllabus, then there is a paper on a mathematical physics, and from that paper I am going to teach you curvilinear coordinate system. Okay, before you are going to understand what is a curvilinear coordinate system, you must have to know what is a coordinate system and why coordinate system is so important in maths as well as in physics. Actually, in 11th standard or in 10th standard you already learn or you are familiar with the concept of a coordinate system. Okay, then what is a coordinate system? Coordinate system is an arrangement of a reference lines. Coordinate system is an arrangement of a reference lines or a curves to identify the location of a point or a system. Actually, coordinate systems are used to locate the position of a point in a space. Okay, and in 11th standard you already learned the Cartesian coordinate system, and I am just taking an overview what you learn in 11th standard. Okay, the Cartesian coordinate system has a two axes which you called as x axis and y axis, and those two axes are perpendicular to each other. For that, what that definition tells you, for that I am taking an example, and suppose a ant moving on this plane, and I have to study the motion of this ant, and this ant, suppose at a time t it is at a position, it is at that position. Okay, and for that ant I am using letter P to represent its position in this plane at a time t. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to locate its point in this plane with respect to the Cartesian coordinate system. For that, what you are doing, you are drawing or you are considering a point which is a stable, and that point you called as a origin, and with respect to the origin you are drawing two axes. This axis you called as a x-axis and this axis you called as a y-axis. Those two axes are perpendicular to each other. That's why sometimes this Cartesian coordinate system known as a rectangular coordinate system, because those two axes are perpendicular with each other. Okay, now with using these axes x and y axis, I have to locate the position of this ant or position of this point on this plane. For that, what I have to do, I have to draw a perpendicular on x-axis. Suppose I draw a perpendicular on x-axis, and I am considering this distance as a unit, okay, and this distance as a b unit. If this distance is a b unit, then obviously along the y-axis, this distance, this from origin to this point, this distance is b. Okay, now using this information I have to locate the point. For that, what I am doing, I am giving point P as a two numbers. The first number is A, the second number is B. Actually, this A number represents this ant or this point made a displacement along x-axis, and this B represents how much distance that point P traveled along a y-axis. Okay, so to locate the point in this plane using Cartesian coordinate system, we are using point system. We are giving them 2 points, and those 2 points, among them the first point represent the distance along x-axis and the second point represent the distance along y-axis. This point represents the distance along y-axis. Okay,